Hello everyone, welcome to week 2. This week we're going to have 2 activities. The first one is going to be for Tuesday and the other one will be for Thursday, since under normal circumstances we would need Tuesday and Thursday this week. Now I know everyone's life is radically different right now and schedules are different from student to student. So I'm going to release both activities at once and provide support throughout the entire week, and you can do them at your own pace. Per usual, this is not required and it will not be for a grade, but it will be beneficial to you. So for Tuesday, you're already watching this video, so congrats, you've accomplished task 1. The next thing it says is do this activity on series circuits. So if we go here, it's going to be a similar format to what you saw last week in the lab. The Google Forms you're going to fill out, you're going to want to open this up and do it simultaneously with the lab, because the questions for it are right here. Once again, you're going to go to the simulator, and we'll open up the simulator. This time, we're going to click on Lab, and we don't need to show the current. You can if you want, it's up to you. But what we're going to do is you're going to build a series circuit. As you see here, you have 1, 2, 3 resistors and a battery. So we'll start with a battery, and I'm just going to put 2 resistors in this just to get things moving. And it doesn't matter if your circuit doesn't look as nice and neat as the diagram in the lab. That's perfectly understandable. I'm going to take away the show the current so that way there's less clutter in here. Don't worry about changing the values of anything, but what we are going to do is we're going to grab the voltmeter and we're going to do some recordings. So if I want to check the battery, I have one of the probes at the negative terminal and the second probe at the positive terminal. I see 9 volts. Let's say I want to check the resistance of, the voltage of the first resistor, one on one end, one on the other. This has a negative 4.5. That just means that I have my probes backwards. Now it's a positive 4.5. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal if it's positive or negative. So let's get this meter out of the way. And the second thing you're going to be playing with is the ammeter, which is going to read the current. So you're going to be asked to read the current for the battery and through each individual resistor. So what I will do is I will cut the wire here, drop the ammeter in here, and voila. You can continue to move the ammeter if you want, or you could just grab another ammeter and put it in here, and we can see how the current goes. So since the ammeter is connected to the battery, this reads the current through the battery. This ammeter is connected to the resistor, so it reads the current through the resistor. The second piece of this activity for Tuesday is going to be adding resistance. So there is a sheet with some examples done for you and a sheet for you to practice. But I'm going to go through one quick example right now. So adding resistance in series is incredibly easy. This is the formula right here. REQ, so REQ, that stands for equivalent resistance. And what it means is, in this circuit that you see on the left, if I were to go ahead and remove all 3 resistors and instead just build the circuit with one single resistor, what would that resistance value be? That's called the equivalent resistance. For series, it's very simple. The equivalent resistance is nothing more than the summation of the resistances within the circuit. So for this particular circuit, it will be 2 plus 6 plus 4, or 12 ohms. And on Thursday, we'll take a look at parallel circuits. Enjoy.